What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nora Crystal and today really have a big good news. You guys have to know all is the Wozniak is coming today about me. It's at 2 a.m. and everyone has knowing and they are buying and they get some cool pet. And also I get this Peter Rodasly. If you are guys of Korea, you can go to watching the new one there and also this video for the English, okay? And today we are actually going to hatching some egg and going to look around it. And also that Aussie egg is not in game, so I probably buy it. And my Aussie egg has only 10 Aussie egg because I trade some of it. And also I get a 4 Aussie egg too. And also let me go to buy more. Because we want to hatch more. Okay, so I'm so excited to see this T-Rex and also the dodo. Oh my god, I saw someone hatch a dodo. Why they're so lucky? So guys, I'm gonna try to hatching this. And let's see what we're going to get. So let's look about the egg, guys. So the egg has something around that and also have a tail, and after it has a feed it out there. It's going to be hatching. I'm going to put the water to last because water is the one interesting and also food. When you want to thirsty, also hungry, you put it last. It's going to be hatching a good pet. That's why I want to put it to last. So we don't have to do it. Okay. So everyone try to hatching some cool pets. And also now I have 5 fossil eggs. A, B, C, you will never get one. Look. Oh, what is mean? Oh my god, how did you get that? I didn't get that. Anyways, we can still go to the Fossil Island. The Fossil Island is still there. Okay, so let's go to the Fossil Island. Okay, let's go Fossil Island. We don't have much time. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, so hello, Mr. Dog and Mr. Cat and Mrs. Cat. Please open the door. I have to go to the Fossil Island right now. Okay, so hello, guys. So the Fossil Island is still here. Oh my God! And Tom is still here. So Tom says things just as I remember them. Aww, we did a great job together bringing these untouched animals back. Yeah, oh my god, thank you, Tom. So this side is still open. I don't know if you want to hatch some more. To help reach out some more. It still have it? I don't know, but let me go to it. I think they were gonna say there's nothing left to dig. Is there? There's nothing left to dig because I dig all the toys and also the fossil. Okay, so let's go ahead and up here. Oh my god. I want this. I want that dragon. And also, why does not have a long bread? Why? Because I want to ride a long one. And there has a long cheap toy here, see? But why does not have? But I still love. I wanna get this. This is so adorable. But I don't like this. But this I don't know. But this is ultra rare. And really wants the T-Rex and the dodo. Okay, so let me try the hatching it. Okay. Oh my God, you guys, this girl actually got the uncommon Stegosaurus. It's look pretty awesome. Oh my God. Wait, how about my pet? My pet. My egg. Okay, my fossil egg is start to playing the piano. Oh my god, guys, so this is the last time and I'm going to hatch in this egg. And what is it going to be here? I'm so excited. I hope that I'm going to get in the ultra rare one. And also I'm going to get the lizard. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. If I have Robux, I'm going to hatching them. And also I'm buying more egg, but I don't have Robux, so make sure that you guys click the support button and like button to supporting my channel. And thank you so much, guys. I love you guys as a friend so much. Okay, so fossil egg. So fossil egg, Mr. Fossil egg. This is the last one, and I hope that it's going to be good one. Okay. Go away. I have to go away from it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. What is going to be? Oh, don't say that. Don't say that it's going to be the bad guy. Okay. Wait. Oh. Wait. Why the hatching egg has the same? So I got this Stegosaurus. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I don't have that pet yet. It is so good that I get this pet. And the Stegosaurus pet is this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, go get it, come to me. Okay, oh my god, so adorable. Okay, this is pretty awesome. And let's hatching some more eggs. It's so fun. And I'm so wanna think that what it's going to be. I'm going to try to get something really quickly, guys. Wait, but someone just tricked me. So I put the fossil egg. A bandicoot. Oh, wait. Oh, bully mammoth. Oh my god, I didn't have this pet yet. This is the cool one. Okay, escape. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is one ride going to be so cool and awesome. It's okay, guys. We still have 3 eggs left. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Let's go into the nurses. Oh my god, nurses pet. Also, I get all the pet in the fossil egg. Just I don't have the legendary. Aww, that's pretty sad. I don't have all the pet yet. I don't have Slug, this guy. Also this guy, I got this guy, this guy, and this guy. That's all. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The blue guy, oh my god. Okay guys, so let me get in and going to my friend's house. Is she still in the house? Yeah, she's still. I got uncommon. And I trade my egg for this. Wait, please. Wait, please. I want Aussie egg. Okay, so this. Holy man. It's so cute. Yeah, it's so adorable. Yeah. Yay. It's so adorable. That's what am I saying about? Okay, still. Our fossil egg. My fossil egg is about to. Oh my god, I just traded my 2 fossil eggs. Wait, what? Someone just found a Dodo legendary? Oh my god, how lucky they are. And what am I? I wanna get 2. But I'm not. I hope that I'm going to get in the legendary Dodo or T-Rex in X. So let's get into wait for the another test, okay? Guys, I think this is not a good idea as I'm thinking. If I am not be big like this, no one will going to be do it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it, okay? I have to find the faces. Come on, get something really good. Oh my god, this is not a good faces. I'm doing this face try to get the legendary pet Dodo. Okay, Dodo, I'm coming for you. Also T-Rex. OMG guys, I nearly got the right bee. This is so sick. I got the right bee for a fossil egg. Why am I so gorgeous? Now I only can hatch in this egg. But it's okay. This is uncommon. I don't need it. Okay. I can treat this egg for good oysters. I'm going to doing some jump jacks. I'm gonna say do 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 T-Rex 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 T-Rex. Gonna say do 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 T-Rex do do T-Rex T-Rex T-Rex. I'm gonna try this to get it out. Okay guys, exactly the fossil egg we're going to be hatching right now guys. I'm so excited. Not right now. I'm going to be a few minutes. Okay guys, now we are in school immediately and I'm trying to get the T-Rex and the Dodosaurus. T-Rex, T-Rex, Dodo, Dodo, T-Rex, T-Rex, Dodo, Dodo. Okay, so I said this 100 times. I hope that we're going to be... So I'm going to be doing a really a big deal for the fossil egg for now. Okay, so everyone has the fossil egg here, and I have this propeller, and just swipe it. Oh my god, it's not working. I'm not going to up there by not having money. Okay, so I'm going up there. Okay, no. Okay, so I think fossil egg will know that what I'm going to gonna think. Okay, so I hope that we're going to be the great hour. So now we have to water it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the water first. Okay. Water. So I'm going to water and the food we're going to be hatching. Okay. If we're hatching in school. No. I don't want to hatching in school. I don't want to hatching somewhere bad. Because why? When hatching somewhere we're going to be bad. So I'm gonna want hatching somewhere really high. Why am I too weird? Everyone hatching where the people have a lot. Okay, so Emma, the lollipop. Okay. And swipe out the chat. Okay, close my eyes and cross all the finger. Please T-Rex or Dodo, please. Oh my god. What is it? Wait, huh? You didn't eat anything yet? Okay, run away from the fossil egg. I crossed all the finger. Oh my god, what is it going to be? Oh my god, is it hatchet? Okay. Turn around with the pet. Oh. Wait. Oh. Hi, Tasman Tiger. Oh, I thought it was something good, but Tasman Tiger. Oh. But it's still cute and a dark web good heart. Let me do something. So last egg, I'm going to hatching you guys to see it. So guys, this is the last egg and let's see what they're going to be hatching. Okay, 3, 2, 1, hatch it out. Okay. Oh my god, OMG, I got Moni Mammoth. So guys, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button, and also say something in the comment section down below. So goodbye guys. Thank you guys so much for this video. Goodbye guys.